this trade review, I want to talk about the GDX ratio put spread that I've got on. I'm sitting on a bit of a profit at the moment, and well, yeah, it does look like gold is coming down. Um, my max profit is at 28, and break even's at 26.5 approximately. So there is still a fair bit for it to be able to run for me to start losing money. Um, but I think given that the whole income strategy is to have uh, trades of high probability trades of success, but sacrifice a little bit of um, upside for that higher probability. Really, the objectives of that strategy kind of dictates to me that I should be closing out this position. I did actually initially think of rolling the position into a longer term. So, for example, maybe a 28.5, 27.5 ratio put spread. So that would kind of give me a break even of around 26, lower my break even by 0.5, but it would also lengthen my the duration of the trade and hence risk to another 30 something days or so. So decided probably not going to do that. I'd rather just take my profits now, and um, yeah, that's essentially the ideal. So system wise, I'll be closing this trade because that's what the strategy dictates. Intersystem correlation wise of this trade, it's just reducing my short exposure to gold essentially. That's what GDX is highly correlated with, given it's gold miners. It's a gold miner ETF. Technicals, it looks like the trend has kind of been broken here, and we're seeing a fair sell-off into markets. It does look like things are quite risk on, and essentially I'm going to make money by um, following my rules of understanding my income strategy or my income system and adhering to the objectives of the system. And I'm fairly neutral, I'd say, to the result. And lastly, in terms of if there's any other important considerations or lessons learned, I can't think of anything dramatic at the moment, but potentially I could turn what I'm seeing on the chart now into some sort of a more formal exit signal to guide my trading in the future. So that's it for this trade. Thank you for listening.